Phone Junk Clean Master is an Android application designed to help users optimize their device's performance by cleaning up unnecessary files and managing storage. This app is particularly beneficial for individuals looking to enhance the speed and efficiency of their smartphones by removing junk data, cache files, and other temporary files that can accumulate over time. Key features typically include a powerful junk file scanner that identifies and deletes unwanted files such as obsolete app cache, residual files from uninstalled applications, and other clutter that takes up valuable storage space. The app often provides users with a clear overview of what can be removed, allowing for informed decisions about storage management. In addition to junk cleaning, Phone Junk Clean Master often includes functions for battery optimization, memory boosting, and app management. These features help users prolong battery life, improve device performance, and manage which apps run background processes. Furthermore, some versions might offer additional tools, such as privacy protection features to remove sensitive data and safeguard personal information.